Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Meta AI from Instagram. The quick guide. Instagram's Meta AI integration is not as intrusive as Facebook's. It only appears when you engage with the search bar and functions in the same way, presenting AI suggestions with the Meta AI logo alongside traditional ones denoted by a magnifying glass icon. Tapping an AI suggestion opens the chatbot. Note that the chat interface is the same and Meta repopulates your data across its apps. So you can always pick up where you left off. Like Facebook, there's no way to completely disable Meta AI on Instagram. However, you can ignore the prompts or mute your conversation with the AI by following these steps. First, open the Meta AI chat on Instagram and tap the eye icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Mute from the options. Choose how long you want to mute the AI, 1, 8, or 24 hours, or indefinitely. You can go a step further by blocking or restricting the Meta AI profile. Here's how. Open the Meta AI chat and select Profile. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap Restrict or Block from the option. If muting and blocking the AI doesn't cut it, you can also downgrade to an older version of the app if you don't mind missing out on new features or security updates. Meta AI is a free virtual assistant that wants to be your go-to guide for everything from planning your next adventure to crafting the perfect Instagram caption and even generating images. It debuted in September 2023 but only recently came into the spotlight thanks to an update that places it front and center in the search boxes and feeds of Meta apps like Facebook and Instagram. Engaging with Meta AI is as simple as tapping the search box or sometimes the chat button in a Meta app. You'll be greeted by a colorful circle with the prompt, Ask Meta AI everything. You can do standard AI stuff like generate text or images like ChatGPT and Google Gemini AI. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.